Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we learn about relative pronouns, specifically when used for time. Relative pronouns connect ideas in sentences and make our English smoother and more natural. When acts as a relative pronoun for time, it replaces time words or phrases like day, moment, or year in relative clauses. When connects a time noun with additional information about that specific time. Here are clear examples. The day when we met was special. Summer is the time when flowers bloom. I remember the moment when she arrived. Notice how one links the time noun with extra information about that time. The basic structure follows a pattern. Start with a noun about time, add when, then add the clause with more information. For example, I met her when that was in 2020. The time noun comes first, then when, then the details. Another example, Christmas is a holiday when we give gifts. Notice the pattern stays the same. Time noun plus when plus the clause describing what happens at that time. This makes two sentences become one smooth sentence. Now practice combining sentences using when. Try these 4 examples. First, I will never forget that day. Second, we met at a time when everyone was happy. Third, that is the moment when the rain started. Fourth, she remembers the year when she moved here. Here are the correct combinations. I will never forget the day when we first met. We met at a time when everyone was happy. That is the moment when the rain started. She remembers the year when she moved here. See the pattern each time. Key points to remember. When refers to time, use it after time words like day, moment, time, or year. The structure is always noun plus when plus clause. This combines 2 sentences into one. Practice these patterns to master relative when.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.